Patient visits your clinic's website with a question. If nobody answers quickly, they call a different clinic instead. A healthcare chatbot fixes that for any practice, answering instantly and looping in your care team only when it's actually needed. In this video, I'll show you how to build one from scratch and deploy it live. Let's get into it. Log into your WotNot dashboard and head to the bot builder. Click Build a Bot, select Build an Inbound Bot, and choose Web as your channel. WotNot gives you ready-made templates here, but we'll build this one from scratch so you see exactly how the logic works. First, the trigger block. Connect it to the website you'll be embedding this on, so any visitor who opens the widget triggers this bot. We'll connect that page later during deployment. Right after the trigger, add an AI agent block. I'll rename it Care Assistant, since that's the context for this build. First, write the prompt. Cover the agent's persona as a warm, professional care assistant. Its tone, response style, and one guardrail that matters more here than anywhere else. Never give medical advice, diagnosis, or symptom guidance, no matter how the question is phrased. That always gets handed to staff. Right below that, set up one exit path. Name it Patient Inquiry. It should trigger when someone describes a specific health concern, asks about becoming a new patient, or needs something the general FAQ can't answer, not general questions about hours or services. Set the required variables to name, email, and reason for inquiry. The agent asks for these conversationally, one at a time, and saves each answer to its matching variable. That gives your care team an actual message to act on, not a vague question. Finally, connect the AI agent block to a knowledge base. Upload your clinic hours, services offered, accepted insurance providers, and new patient process, and it answers naturally from that instead of you scripting every question. Once the exit path fires, add a Google Sheets block, rename it Log Patient Inquiry, and map name, email, and reason for inquiry into a new row. Now your care team has a real message to follow up on. Add a message block, renamed Confirmation. Thanks, I've passed your message to our care team. They'll follow up with you shortly. That's the whole flow. It ends automatically after this sends. Now let's deploy this. Go to Settings, then Channels, and select Web. You'll get an embed snippet here. Copy it into your website's HTML right before the closing body tag. Once that's added, open your bot, go to the trigger block, and confirm it's set to the page you just embedded it on. Click Deploy, toggle the bot on. It's live. Let's test it. I'll ask, do you accept Blue Cross insurance? There's the answer, straight from the knowledge base. Now, I've had a persistent cough for a week. Can someone see me? Notice it doesn't try to diagnose anything. It asks for my name and email and passes it straight to the care team. And that's a working healthcare chatbot. Live in minutes, no code required, answering real questions and handing your care team an actual message the moment a patient needs a person, not medical advice from a bot. This works for any clinic or healthcare practice. Try it free at WotNot.io and let me know what flow you want built next.